our neighborhood. Dito kami sa Shin Imamiya Station. Nag-check-in lang kami, tapos pupunta kami ng Namba kasi nandun sila ate. It's so cold, like, not even kidding. Since alam nga namin na gabi kami darating dito sa Osaka, we just wanted to have a chill night. So we just ate dinner and walk around the Namba area kung saan yung hotel nila ate. And here's our Airbnb. And the only downside I can think of is that wala siyang elevator. But it was so spacious for us to nakapag-laundry din kami. Malapit din siya sa supermarket, convenience store, and the train station. Day 2 vlog! Okay, so yung binili namin kagabi. Good morning, Osaka, Japan. Day 2 and on the way kami sa Universal Studios. Late na kami, sila ate and Dina. 7 AM and hindi pa masyadong maaraw. For USJ naman, our goal was to enter the Super Nintendo World, which is their new attraction. Last year kasi naubusan kami ng slot, but this time we were able to enter twice. Actually, yun din talaga yung reason kung ba't maaga kami pumunta. Dahil sabi sa internet, nagbubukas daw sila 1 hour before yung official opening hours. Tapos makikita mo yung mga taong nagtatakbuhan. Kaya mapatakbo ka na din. And also, pumunta kami dito on a Wednesday. Yung isang tip na mabibigay ko sa inyo, go here on a weekday para mas masulit nyo yung mga rides. Also, I know you can bring in some food dahil bawal ang re-entry and medyo limited lang yung mga food options. Lastly, enjoy and have fun sa non-stop walking. Kung papabiyak mo ako yung target market Butterbeer! And that is it for our Universal Studios Day. Sobrang lamig. Sapa yung ulo ko. Good morning! It's day 3. 1 PM na dito pa rin kami kasi wala talaga kaming plans for today. It's like a free day. Let's see kung ano magagawa natin for today. Oh, kapal talaga yung break nila. After taking 19,000 steps from last night, dapat medyo chill tayo today, no? Kaya pumunta lang kami dito sa may tower, sa may museum kung saan pinakita yung old and modern Osaka, which is so interesting by the way, as well as try Ichiran Ramen for the first time. Sarap siya in fairness. Meanwhile, sila ate, pumunta sila ng Kyoto. Hindi na kami sumama kasi ayaw na namin maki-third wheel. De, joke lang. Nakapunta na kasi kami dun last year. Almost same itinerary lang yung ginawa nila.
Ito, moisturizer.
Ang ganda nung eyelash curler. Tignan mo hanggang ngayon naka-ano pa siya. Ay, hello, Kobe. Here at Namba Premium. Just get the navy right now.
Lamig.
Okay. We are on the way to Nara Park kung saan may mga deer. It's currently 12 noon. Late na kami again lumabas. So, yun yung bago niyang shoes. Let's go! Lunch for today. Dito kami sa isang unagi restaurant. You have to order here sa kanilang iPad. Ito yung order ng unagi. Ito naman yung sa akin. Oh, nice. Ang cute. Hi. Beer crackers, 200 yen. So, ganito siya isang pack. Baka ulit.
Full charge ka nyan.
Matcha.
Lalim ko. Lalim mo. Nandito.
Today is our transfer day to Tokyo and we're buying Shinkansen tickets. So this is our luggage. Ang dami. 16:35 on the waiting list and 16:30 pa lang. Lunchtime na, so si coffee bumibili pa lang siya na from 7-Eleven kasi in case na wala akong mabili dun sa gate. But I think they have it. So I decided to go to Tokyo and di na kami nakapag-ikot kanina sa may Namba area. Diretso na kami. Here's the
The train at track number 27 is